Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in the TikTok app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the TikTok app. Here it opens up in the home menu showing funny videos or interesting videos, but we have to go into the profile menu. Here in the profile menu, in the top right corner, there are three lines. We tap on those. We go into settings and privacy here, just like this. And we scroll down a bit and there's language. We tap on this and here we can select different kinds of languages. But for now we can select the app language on the top. This is going to be the language that the app uses. And then in the bottom, we can select the translation language, the language that the videos are going to be translated to. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.